Why you gotta ruin my moments all the time? Like, listen. What am I gonna do with you guys? You wanna learn how to make a durag in another way again? Like, I'm running out of ideas, fam. This is the last one, alright? How to make a durag out of a football shirt. You know what, guys? You know what? Let me tell you something. I kind of figured you was coming back for me. I kind of figured. So guess what? I'm always thinking ahead. So I was thinking ahead, and I designed another durag in my mind, better and wavier than the previous ones. And this durag, homemade durag, you don't need to cut anything, you don't need to do anything, just a couple of folds, you feel me? And this durag, basically, I thought about it because I was thinking that, okay, the t-shirt durags, it's calm and all that here, but does it really keep your hair moisturized and everything? As in, it sucks a lot of moisture out of your hair because obviously it's cotton, it's your t-shirt, you know what I'm trying to say? But what if we used something that's more silky, satin or polyester? And something came to my mind. Guess what came to my mind? You know what came to my mind. This came to my mind. See? Tottenham Square. Not Tottenham Square. We're not gonna make a drag out of me. But it's a football shirt, you feel me? So basically, we're gonna use this. Turn it into a durag. It's more stretchable and it's more silky. So basically, we're gonna turn that into a durag, and because it's a bit longer, even on the arms, it's gonna have more, how can I forget the word? More compression, that's right. Yeah guys, I want you to do the exact same thing we did with the previous t-shirt durags. It's just to fold it, yeah, just like this. Yeah, now that it's folded, take it like that, and make sure you always grab the extremes in it, yeah, and then oh, obviously, if you feel too lazy to make your own durag, you can go down in the description and get yourself one of these deluxe premium designer durag, Gucci durag, you get me, bruv? So yeah, man, basically go down in the description, use my code and get 10% off, and it's very, very affordable. I know if you're thinking Gucci, it's a durag, bruv. You know what I'm saying? Use my code, Tottenham's code the 7th, man. But if you have the courage to make this durag, do that. Hold it like this. Flip it over your head, bruv. Easy peasy, bruv. Easy peasy, bruv. Light work, bruv. Big mountain. Big mountain, bruv. That's it, literally. Do you know what I'm saying? And trust me, yeah, I swear to God, bruv, it's got a better compression than the t-shirt durag. This pin and lay your head on proper good. Look at me trying to speak like I'm American, bruv. I'm not American I'm from Mali, but I live in the UK, which makes me a UK Londoner. You feel me? You get me, fam? But yeah, literally, that's it. That's it. It looks a bit mad though. It looks a bit mad. I'll recommend you to wear it upside down because right now it's a bit of a mad thing, you get me? It's a bit of a mad thing, bro. But the reason why this is so much better is because it's more stretchable, you feel me? Literally. That's the only reason why it's so good. So good. Like KFC. You feel me? So yeah guys, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this thing. And I'm out, B.
I'm from the Brooklyn ex-AJ. Man, mistake with a pen like JK. True say I ain't